In today's rapidly evolving financial landscape, the allure of cryptocurrency investment beckons to both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. It's not merely about chasing profits, it's about embarking on a transformative journey towards financial empowerment and technological innovation. As someone who has navigated the highs and lows of cryptocurrency investment, I can attest to the myriad reasons why you should consider joining this exhilarating ride. Here are 10 reasons why you should invest in cryptocurrency. 1. Cryptocurrency investment. Picture this, it's like stepping into a realm of endless possibilities, where traditional financial barriers crumble and new opportunities emerge at every turn. 2. Massive returns. The thrill of witnessing your investments soar to new heights. Cryptocurrency has a knack for delivering jaw-dropping returns, turning dreams of financial independence into tangible reality. 3. Portfolio diversification. Diversify, they say, and for good reason. Cryptocurrencies offer a unique avenue to diversify your investment portfolio, shielding you from the uncertainties of traditional markets. 4. Increasing adoption. From tech enthusiasts to big-name corporations, the world is embracing cryptocurrency like never before. It's not just a trend, it's a paradigm shift towards a more inclusive and decentralized financial ecosystem. 5. Democratization of finance. Imagine a world where financial power resides in the hands of the people, not in the grasp of institutions. Cryptocurrency embodies this vision, empowering individuals to take control of their financial destinies. 6. Financial services innovation. Say goodbye to outdated banking systems and hello to decentralized finance, DeFi. Cryptocurrencies are paving the way for innovative financial services that cater to the needs of the modern age. 7. Finite supply. In a world plagued by inflation and endless money printing, cryptocurrencies offer a beacon of stability. With their finite supply, they stand as a bulwark against the erosive forces of fiat currency devaluation. 8. Programmable money. It's not just currency, it's code that unlocks a world of endless possibilities. Smart contracts, tokenization, and programmable incentives are reshaping the way we transact and interact with value. 9. Technical innovation. Behind every cryptocurrency lies a tapestry of cutting-edge technology, blockchain, cryptography, and decentralized networks. It's not just an investment, it's a front-row seat to the future of technology. 10. Accessibility of investment. Gone are the days of cumbersome investment processes. With cryptocurrency, anyone, anywhere can dip their toes into the world of investment with just a few clicks. As you embark on your cryptocurrency investment journey, remember, it's not just about the numbers, it's about the experience. Embrace the volatility, relish the triumphs, and cherish the lessons learned along the way. For in this ever-changing landscape of finance, the true wealth lies not in monetary gains, but in the journey towards self-discovery and financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge, join the revolution, and embark on your own personal odyssey towards financial empowerment. Your future self will thank you for it.